Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on skin care with Ulta Beauty, full guide step by step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with Ulta's rewards program. Sign up for the Ultimate Rewards program to earn points on every purchase. Points can be redeemed for discounts on future purchases, so it's a valuable investment. Next, keep an eye out for Ulta's weekly ads and coupons. These promotions often include significant discounts on popular skin care brands. Make sure to check Ulta's website or app regularly for current deals. Another great way to save is by shopping during special events. Ulta frequently offers sales during events like 21 Days of Beauty. During these events, select products are discounted up to 50%. Be sure to take advantage of discounts for purchasing larger sizes. Many brands offer value sets or larger sizes at a better per ounce price. If you're a fan of specific brands, sign up for their newsletters. This way, you'll receive notifications about exclusive discounts and promotions. Consider purchasing travel-sized products to try new items without breaking the bank. Ulta often has a wide variety of travel-sized skin care options at lower prices. Always check for clearance items or products nearing expiration. Ulta frequently marks down items that may be discontinued or slightly damaged. Utilizing Ulta's price matching policy can also help you save. If you find a product cheaper elsewhere, Ulta will match that price. By combining deals, you can significantly reduce your skin care expenses. These strategies will help you build an effective skincare routine without overspending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.